Hi friends! Today we're going to be making a hand sponge painting. If you want to see how to make it, follow along with me. Got an itch. Got a little bugger in my nose. Sponge hand painting, day 1. Here are the materials you'll need. A pencil, paper, cotton balls, sponge, and paint. I'm using 3 colors. Your first step is to write your name and your teacher's name on your white paper. If you're following along from home, you could also use a different color paper. It does not have to be white. Put your cap on your marker if you're using one, or you put your pencil away and flip it like a pancake. Now we're going to dip 1 cotton ball into each color. It's very important that we have 1 for each color and we don't mix, because what does that make? Yucky brown. Boo. Alright, I'm dipping a little bit of paint onto my cotton ball or my sponge, and I'm pretending like I'm jumping on a trampoline. So you're going to jump, jump, jump all over your paper. Great job. Now I'm getting a second cotton ball for my second color, and I'm jumping all over my paper. We want to keep filling up our whole paper until we don't see any white space. We don't want a naked piece of paper. Now I'm taking my third color and I'm jumping. Nice job. You can do different patterns if you'd like. Remember, we always keep our cotton ball with the same color, so we don't want to mix our cotton balls. Throw your cotton balls in the trash. Rinse off your palette in the sink. And put your artwork on the drying rack. Sponge hand painting day 2. Let's get started. You're going to write your name and your teacher's name on your black piece of paper. You don't have to use a white crayon like me. You can also just use a regular old pencil. Flip your paper over like a pancake. Watcha! Now we're going to take that beautiful sponge painting that we made last week, and we're going to trace our hand. I'm using a marker so you can see it on camera, but you will actually be using a pencil because the marker left a big blue mark all over Miss Cassin's hand, and that is no bueno. So maybe you might like to have a friend help you trace your hand. That's great too. Now we're going to cut our hand out. And this step is super important. You want to make sure that when you cut out your hand that you go slow and careful, because we don't want to cut off pieces from the piece of paper. We want it to be one big hand, all in one cut. Does not have to be perfect. It's all about progress, my friends. I am so fast. Now comes the super cool part. We're going to make our hands into positive and negative space. So go ahead and flip your 2 pieces of paper over, and we're going to glue our negative space. That's the area around the hand. And then we're going to glue our hand on the opposite side. Now we have this beautiful end product, which looks really awesome and amazing. And as always, our artwork goes on the drying rack. Great job, friends.